So after adding these details, we can now add hatches to our drawing. And for adding the hatches, I'll go to this layer and change it to hatch. And now let's click on save icon once again. And let's move to this hatch tool. Now in this hatch, I'll select the solid pattern. That's the one which we need, and select this area, the area within this wall. Again, select this area, the area over here, and the area here, the small area here also, and here also, and the small area over here. Now make sure none of the areas are unchecked, and yes, we have added it everywhere. Now simply click on close hatch creation, and we have added the wall thickness using these hatches. And now we can add the text. So before adding the text, we need to change the text style, and that will be the style of text everywhere in the drawing area. So I'll go to this annotation, expand it, and select this text style icon. Now we have this standard text which is selected right now, and we have the font txt.shx. So I'll change it to simplex. So let's type S, and here we have the simplex.shx font. Also the height is not set, so that will take the default height. You can keep it that way if you want. Simply select apply and close. Now I'll change it to text, and let's add this multi-line text. So let's make this window, and let's type bedroom 1. Now the size of text should be 1 feet, and that depends on the overall scale. For this case, I'll select 1 feet. So select the complete text, and here in the size field, change it to 1 feet and press enter. And now click outside, and the text is added. So you can now move it to place it properly. And now let's make multiple copies of this. So select copy tool, select the text, and make a copy of this one. I'll make it here. I'll make a copy here, here, and here. You can make another copy here also, and a copy over here. Now we can modify these text values. So let's double click here, and let's change it to air vent. Let's change this text to toilet. You can move it as well to place it properly. Double click here, change it to bedroom 2. This one is drawing room. And we need to rotate this text as well, so we'll do it in a moment. Here we have this dining area. Let's expand it, and finally the kitchen. All right, now let's move this a little bit, and we'll rotate this one. So select rotate, and rotate this like this, and move it here. All right, now we have added all the required values here. We have added the text, we have added the blocks, and everything within this drawing. So we finally need to add dimensions in our drawing, and we need to print this floor plan using our physical or virtual plotters. And that we'll learn in the next and the final part of this series.